welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 RS, a highly anticipated revival of one of the most iconic performance cars of the 70s. Ford has brought the Escort back, and they've given it a modern twist while preserving the spirit of the original. So, let's get into the details of this stunning car, from the interior and exterior design to its performance and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Ford Escort MK1 RS 2025 is a perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern touches. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll notice the sleek, compact shape that recalls the original MK1's classic lines. The front end is dominated by a bold, aggressive grille, flanked by slim, modern LED headlights. The iconic round fog lights at the bottom give it that instantly recognizable rally-inspired look. The sculpted body panels and sharp lines add a sense of athleticism, while the wide wheel arches accommodate large performance wheels, giving the car an imposing stance on the road. The car sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, with a variety of finishes available, depending on your preference. The rear of the Escort MK1 RS is equally impressive, with a subtle ducktail spoiler that enhances its sporty character without being too over the top. And, of course, the exhaust system features twin tailpipes, hinting at the performance lurking beneath. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 RS captures the essence of the original while injecting it with a fresh, modern twist that makes it look like a future classic. Moving to the interior, Ford has done a fantastic job of combining vintage charm with contemporary comfort and technology. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. The seats are crafted from high-quality leather, with sporty stitching and bolstering that holds you firmly in place, especially during spirited driving. The upholstery is available in a variety of colors, but the signature tartan-patterned seats are an option for those who want to evoke the classic MK1 RS rally spirit. The dashboard is minimalistic yet functional, with a combination of analog dials and a digital screen that provides modern convenience. The steering wheel, which is a compact, three-spoke design, offers excellent feedback and control, perfectly matching the car's lively personality. In terms of technology, the 2025 Escort MK1 RS comes with a fully integrated infotainment system. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you seamless connectivity, while the premium sound system ensures you get the best audio experience while driving. As for the driving experience, you'll find that Ford has equipped the Escort MK1 RS with a state-of-the-art suspension system, offering a perfect balance between comfort and handling. Whether you're cruising on a highway or tackling tight corners, the Escort feels agile and responsive, all thanks to its lightweight build and advanced suspension design. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Ford Escort MK1 RS is powered by a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, producing an impressive 300 horsepower. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, providing the ultimate connection between you and the car. For those who want a more effortless experience, there's also an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission available. This engine allows the Escort to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, a remarkable feat for a car with such a classic pedigree. The all-wheel drive system ensures that the power is distributed efficiently, providing fantastic traction and stability, especially during hard acceleration or tricky road conditions. The Escort MK1 RS is equipped with a performance-tuned suspension that offers exceptional handling, whether you're on a track or driving through winding country roads. The car's brakes are strong and responsive, giving you the confidence to push the car to its limits. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Escort MK1 RS delivers around 28 miles per gallon combined, which is quite impressive for a performance car in this category. This makes it a practical choice for daily driving without compromising on fun or performance. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. The The 2025 Ford Escort 1 Malawian Kwacha RS is positioned as a premium performance car, and with that comes a price tag to match. The starting price for the 1 Malawian Kwacha RS is around $45,000, which places it in direct competition with other performance-oriented hatchbacks and compact sedans like the Volkswagen Golf R and the Subaru WRX STI. With the performance and nostalgic appeal it brings, many enthusiasts will see it as a great value. However, if you opt for higher trims, including upgraded technology and premium interior features, the price can climb upwards of $50,000. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Escort 1 Malawian Kwacha RS is a fantastic reinvention of a classic. It combines the timeless appeal of the original with modern performance, technology, and comfort. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking for a daily driver that brings excitement to the road or a collector wanting to own a piece of automotive history, the Escort 1 Malawian Kwacha RS delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a performance hatchback that looks as good as it drives, the Ford Escort 1 Malawian Kwacha RS is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car reviews, news, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.